Experiencing T-Mobile call failures? It's often due to SIM card issues, VoLTE VoNR incompatibility, or network glitches. Start with the basics. Ensure your SIM card is properly inserted and undamaged. Then, check your phone's settings to enable VoLTE, which allows calls over 4G, 5G networks. For Android, it's usually under Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network. On iOS, find it in Settings, Cellular Data Options. These steps resolve many common issues quickly. If basic steps don't work, try a SIM swap at a T-Mobile store, especially if your SIM is old. Next, perform a network reset on your phone. This clears cached data like APNs and DNS settings that can cause problems. Be aware that this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords. On Android, find Reset Network Settings under General Management or System, then Reset. On iOS, find Reset Network Settings under General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. After the reset, restart your phone. These steps address deeper configuration issues that can lead to persistent call failures. If problems persist, consider contacting T-Mobile support for further assistance.